Hey, in this edition of Southern Crash Kings, we're taking a look at a 2019 Toyota Camry. This Camry was wrecked at 90 miles per hour. How much does speed play a factor in how well a car absorbs a collision? Check it out. All right, what in the world did we just see? So this particular Camry was an XSE. It had the 4-cylinder bolted to an 8-speed automatic transmission. For a 4-cylinder car, it was basically the top of the line. Sunroof, leather seats, nice car. Now what this car hit? It was something that was low profile. The reason I know that, the hood was basically still intact. This object that the car hit drove the bumper into the radiator, into the engine, the transmission, the front suspension components, and then proceeded to drive that whole assembly through the car and ultimately landing those front suspension and engine and transmission components under the trunk. Inside, the dash, relatively intact. You open the door, you look down, you saw dirt. No floor. It's completely gone. Now these Camrys, they're designed and engineered better than they ever have been, safer than they ever have been. But there is limits. Be careful out there. We'll see you next time.